Hi, all. Welcome to Vision Board community. And today I just want to invite to Ali to the Vision Board. Obviously, you can understand 45 days of interview cracking challenge was ongoing. So maybe Ali also one of the offer letter cracked winner. So we need to share how the Ali crack all the things. Maybe Ali will share the experience also. These experience will motivate others in the future. So Ali,
Yeah.
welcome to the community. And I am also eagerly waiting to how the struggling state to you crack the offer letter, right?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Ashik Ali Shah. I have 3 years of experience in analytics and data engineering, and I have joined Aliens Art Private Limited as an analytics engineer. And my journey with the Vision Board started when I was looking to build my career in data analytics and data engineering. So I joined the Azure Data Engineering course offered by the Vision Board, and because I wanted to strengthen my technical skills and gain proper guidance from the industry expert. So one thing that was really impressed me about Vision Board was the support system. It wasn't just about completing the course. The mentors like Devi was always ready to support me and other team members. So that was very good experience with Vision Board. And yeah, the
Thanks,
as for the
Ali, for your words also because some people will be getting our like an result, right? That is obviously as a mentor, we will also like happy for that. Right?
yeah.
I think Ashwini was the mentor that time, or consistency mentor,
Yeah,
right? Okay,
she
okay.
was always asking me about my process, what I am doing, what interview preparation I am doing today, and what will do tomorrow. So that was very helpful for me because whenever she messaged me about the progress, so I started learning about the interview preparation and things. Yeah, and
Okay.
also I daily on the daily basis I practice SQL on the hacker rank and PySpark on the Databricks free edition, and yeah, and also the special mention goes to Devi for me. She always been like a big sister whenever I feel demotivated, confused, or unsure my next steps. So I
Thanks, Ali. Like when you
reach
share
out.
sister, sister kind of a word, right? Always am also because my heart is always helping. Like and whatever the struggle I face, that kind of a situation don't need anyone, right? Everyone needs that kind. Well, Ali also telling me, Devi, I'm just telling you every time you can possible. Even communication, even the strength, everything is the part, right, Ali, when you attending the interviews. So you will be, I would say, when initially I was telling Devi, I'm not able to speak confidently. So that time I still
Yeah.
remember 2016, I was in the same phase because I was also not able to speak in front of the people. So telling her, Ali, you can able to possible. It's the initial days of your career. Ali, one more question. How you overcome those kind of a situation? How you become more now when you're sitting here, right, with more confident? How do you practice actually?
You called me once. I was preparing for the interviews, so you motivated me. So after your motivation, I started giving interviews. The first interview was very vast. You can say I was not able to speak, but for your support and yeah, and as for the support, I started giving interviews. I was failed 3 to 4 interviews initially, and after that, I was feeling confident, and I have cracked 3 offers initially. I didn't tell you about that
Mhm.
because that was about data analytics, and one was data engineer. But I am more excited to work as a analytics engineer and also want to work as a Azure data engineer. So you can see I'm not speaking good, but yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. Yeah,
No, no, no. Currently, your energy, your confidence is much improved compared to the past, right? So I can see that the presence action, this presence was
Yeah,
leading to the offer letter.
yeah,
That is really good, Ali. And the second thing, Ali, who I was struggling. Initial days you're telling me, Devi, I'm not getting the call. So
yeah.
how to tackle those kind of a situation?
I was not confident while speaking English. It's often affected my confidence during the interview or professional discussions. So
Yes,
I shared with you about my concern, or
yes,
you arranged the readers communication session. That
yes.
was really helpful for me, and I started working on my skills. I use I use my mirror so for my practice. I explain about me and my work experience, and you also uh, give, provide a project. So I have completed that project, and I in the front of mirror I explained my project. So yeah, that
The
was
energy.
really helpful me. Yeah,
Okay, okay. Yeah, that is the one of the forceful mantra. Like, and when you someone is needed, the first thing people are not consistent. Second thing, the confidence issue. The confidence we can overcome. Team, I'm just telling you about like and you can see the Ali also the like and the transformation, complete transformation, like for the practice. Ali, I'm
yeah.
just obviously right. The practice and hard work will be the given the result. So one more thing, like I come back to this one, right? So what you feel like, and when you cracking this much of offer letter from initial zero to cracking this offer letter, how you feel like that like a hard work will be getting a result or something. What is the feeling right now?
I'm feeling more confident than before because I know myself. I was not that much confident to attend interview. For the I was also initially I was appeared for the interviews, so I was not able to speak one word. Like I was explaining in the and fumbling more. So after the session, I tried in the front of mirror and explained my project about. That was actually helped me to gain my confidence and also appearing for the interviews. And 3 to 4 interviews was very difficult to crack. So yeah, that journey was very helpful for me to gaining confident, and now I'm very confident, and I'm also practicing daily SQL and PySpark, and whenever I feel that I need to learn more, so I just open my vision board profile and courses that yeah.
I'm Sally. I think I'm also really happy. At least the result was coming right to you. How you know about vision board? One more question. How you know about vision board?
My friend introduced me about Azure Data Engineer.
Okay.
So yeah, and he explained me what is Azure Data Engineer do and these things. So I started searching on Google, and then I came to on the vision board. So I explored the website, and when I was exploring the website, so I got to know that will be very helpful for me because there are lots of offer that previous students cracked. So that was very helpful for me. So I joined and I joined Vision Board, and also preparing for the um practicing SQL and PySpark.
That is really nice, Ali. I think now you cracked like an Azure data engineer or analytical engineer. Now we need to be more focused about the next section, like a generative AI side also. So like
Yeah,
an better, like an maybe like a higher salary we need to. It's like a kind of a step by step. Cloud and data. Now you're confident with the data, like an, at least the confidence speaking in front of the people. Now we need to be more technically strong and the experience will be increasing. We need to that level of energy level managers round. That will be by step we need to like upgrade to the latest technology. Then what will happen? Our growth will be like a kind of a
Yeah,
drastic growth will happen. Maybe if someone is not there to guide you, sometimes we stuck at a point of time. You know, the demotivation. We sometimes give
yeah.
up. That is a part of our life. But someone will be motivating you, right? You can just try, just try. If the word is enough to crack in the offer letter.
That
Anyway,
happened with me.
that is really good. Ali. Any other than this one, any advice or anything you can give for who are preparing for the interview, who are lost all their hope and all. Any kind of a motivation you can also give that
I will say that you have to go through with the courses and also support. Sorry, go with Devi's sessions and practice daily. And she is the one I found on the internet, the best teacher, the best mentor on the
one.
internet for the Azure data engineer. And so please follow what she is saying, and she is there for you always, for you, for guidance and mentorship. Yeah, she always there for you. Yeah,
Thanks, and I'm also really happy because your words, Anna, because you know that much of effort I am putting, at least everyone getting the offer letter. So thanks, Ali. Thank you for your words also. Yeah, I think one more question, Ali. Whatever the syllabus I created, that is enough for cracking the interviews, right?
yeah. That was enough. That is enough for cracking an interview. Yeah,
Okay. Materials also enough for cracking the interviews, right?
yeah, yeah.
Only
The
thing,
material. Yeah,
material, and if people are not, the consistency is a play a vital role. You know, you also know,
yeah,
right? The portion need to be completed, but even 15 years, 3 years, 5 years, everyone can able to crack, but need to complete those 12 week or like in 4 months plan.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thanks, Ali. Thanks for your time. And we can see you on the next session. Maybe the winner kind of a
Okay.
list. Okay. So all the best,
Thank you.
Ali. Next time you want to prepare for more on the next towards your next journey. Focus next, I would say setting the next level of goal. And we can see how the things will be going on. I will always with you. Don't
Okay,
need to
Devi.
cry.
Okay, Devi.
Thanks,
Thank you
Ali.
so much.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.